Hello, this is Brandon, and yes, that is a picture of me. In case you were wondering about what I look like, and here I am. Okay, and as soon as I figure out how to put my video on, and we will continue to do that. But I want to introduce you to something really, really fun. I've been challenged, and to take a small account and grow it over the next 12 months. And this is the small account challenge, and I wanted to introduce to you why I'm doing it and what I'm going to do and what are the rules and how I'm going to demonstrate utilizing our Galaxydoc method and our phase 4 alpha trading method. How we can even identify very, very small accounts and start to grow that. It will be tricky. It will be difficult. But I'm going to take $73 and then we'll see where it goes. All right. And, I know a lot of you guys are thinking, and I think it's going to garner a lot of interest from a lot of people. Half of you will be waiting for me to blow this up and humiliate myself. And the other half are probably going to watch me with morbid curiosity. And it's not the first time I've taken a small account to something larger, and we'll see where it goes. I wanted to create something that was a little bit more reality show driven, so I could interact as I grow my YouTube and X.com and our membership group. All right, so here we go. Here's our disclaimer. As always, pause it and read it. All right, I'm not asking you to follow along with me, but it's purely for entertainment purposes at this point, but also educational. Okay, and the main thing is I want to teach. If you agree, let's move forward. So you guys are asking me, why am I doing this? Because I've been challenged to do so by somebody that I respect very, very much. And also it presents a unique opportunity for me to teach. It forces me to really be choosy about the trades and also to take chances. Obviously, as the title says, we're going to be taking $73 and see where it goes. Okay. And so we'll be doing this on a weekly basis. I will be compiling videos as I make the trades, and then I'll do an update at the end of the day if I don't do anything. Okay. And I'm going to be talking about some rules and what it entails. And every time I make a trade, I will be doing not a really like full-blown educational thing, but an in-depth, cursory but in-depth analysis of why I'm doing it, including looking at the option chains. I know there's a lot of beginners that are out there, or that might be, or there are a lot of traders out there that basically are seasoned traders, but for whatever reason, you have a small account right now. It happens, folks. And so I'm going to be doing that. Now, I'm going to warn you, okay, this is highly risky. Likelihood of me blowing this account up, a $73 account, there's no margin for errors. There's not a lot of things that I could get into. And if I do something, it's going to basically require a lot of applying what we have in terms of our Galaxydoc method. Okay, but I think it presents a unique challenge, and I think it'll be a lot of fun. Here's the rules. And I think this is something that everybody should follow, especially if you're, doing something extreme like this. Is number one, there should be no more than 3 new trades. Overtrading is, and I'm guilty of it from time to time. If you have a big, huge account, it doesn't really matter. But on the small accounts, overtrading is the death knell for your account. So really no more than 3 new trades per week. Okay, we're going to try to minimize that. A lot of it is going to be a little bit longer term holds. Okay, and but that's going to give us a lot of alpha. We're not going to be doing a lot of same day, absolutely no same day YOLO or 0DT contracts. So no YOLOing with 0DTs. Okay. We're looking for extremes and stock ranges. When we're picking our stocks, it's either going to be racing for the moon or it's going to be beaten down and it's just basically there's no more sellers left. We're going to be looking for options with high open interest and volume. Okay, there are other criteria that we will be looking at, but we will mention that. But really, the main criteria is that is there a historically outsized open interest and volume? Of course, we're going to be applying our top to bottom Galaxydoc method, my PPO ADX Crush Indicator when necessary. We will be applying also our vaunted phase 4 alpha impulse trades if it's available. Of course, I'm going to be doing once a week compilation of these trades. So you're going to get Monday through Wednesday. And even if there is no trade, I'm still going to do that and then release it at the close of the market on Friday. Okay. So we're going to be, again, employing the Galaxydoc metrics and method. And then you guys are asking, $73, it doesn't seem like it's possible. Yeah, I mean, what if I blow this up? Yeah, well, we're going to review what went wrong. I'm not going to just somehow delete this video and say that, but you guys will see me blowing it up if I do. And we'll start over, okay? But the likelihood is that if I apply and stay disciplined, this is going to require a lot of discipline. If you have a big account, it's very easy to fix some of the messiness of our trades, all right? And but you know, really, a small account, for those of you that's been struggling with small account, this is a big deal. So how do we do this? So we're going to review what went wrong, and we're going to start over, okay? Obviously, we're not going to blow this up as much as we can, but sometimes it happens, okay? So that means that if we apply those rules that we talked about, it will be good. And I want audience participation. Eventually, maybe I'll figure out a way to do live streams. But right now, you know, I've had this channel up back from, you know, the other channel that I was at. This is, I think, our 4th week now. So, yeah, and it's a fun way to kind of see. And, you know, like I said, half of you will be rooting for me to blow it up. And, you know, if I blow it up, yeah, then I deserve the ridicule. But if we're doing good, then it's going to be educational, and that's the main thing. And then, obviously, there's something that I want to talk to you about in each of those videos that's going to help with your trading. So, this is the introductory video. I just wanted to let you know what I'm doing, okay? And I want you to stay tuned for the first trade. And the first trade did occur on Friday. Okay, and some of you, it may shock you. Some of you will probably think, well, yeah, it's obvious. But regardless, it'll still be interesting and educational. Okay, again, that's my ugly mug. Okay, folks, in case you were wondering what Brandon looks like or Galaxydoc looks like, this is me. Okay, now, so as I conclude, you know, like I said, please like us, share us, and follow. And tell people, hey, there's this crazy guy doing the $73 challenge. It's not a $100 challenge. It's not a $500 challenge, or it's a $1,000 challenge. I'm taking $73, and we'll be trading options, utilizing our Galaxydoc metrics and methodology and what that entails. All right, and obviously subscribe, you know, share, and let's have some fun with this, okay? I'm pretty sure there's going to be some blow-ups here and there, but I'm also very certain that we will be growing this, and, you know, you guys will be benefiting from watching it. At the very least, you'll have some entertainment value. Now, if you want to learn about working with me, okay, at Galaxydoc Market, here's the email address. All you have to do is email me, okay, and schedule a consultation, okay? If you guys go to the website, you know, I work with high-end traders as well. So the pricing that might seem a little prohibitive for some of you, but email me, and there is a introductory and very beneficial membership, and we are supported by membership. Okay, I'm not really trying to sell you anything other than educational content and membership. Okay, and it will be worth your while. So email me and find out. Okay, anyways, let's go chase some alpha and let's have some fun with this.